Just met up with everybody. We got 4 rigs, including mine right now. We're meeting some more at noon. But we got a GX 460, Land Cruiser 250, and a Land Cruiser 100 series, and then my GX. So let's get after it. We're all getting aired down right now. Using the Pro Plate. Hit the trail. This is Christmas Tree Pass.
Start ripping through. And they're going the right way. There was ice. I'm talking about like ice on the road. I don't know. I feel crazy. There goes a rock. I mean, rocks to crawl. Oh, what the fuck, bro? You know, I can pop my eyes a cord through here. Yeah, right, fool.
GX's stock suspension doing pretty decent. We're going pretty quick. We're going about 35 on this. Aired down to about 15. And she's pretty smooth for stock suspension. Not as smooth as the Land Cruiser was, but still smooth. Stopped here to get some pictures and stuff. Beej is up there grabbing content for his sponsors, you know. We're almost off the Christmas Tree Pass trail, and we're gonna be hitting Telephone Cove and finding camp. Well, we are now on Telephone Cove, and it's about another 10 miles until we get to the river.
Can you guys stand at those casinos over there?
Water looks pretty nice. Yo, this area is nice. We made it down here to the river. Now it's just a matter of finding a spot to set up. Some old quacky boys here. Some ducks. We're getting the parking situation situated, but they're gonna all open up their awnings and have a big boxed out section right here. You're stuck. Ended up finding another spot that's a little bit, go through the water here, cross over this beach, and then we're clear over here. That's gonna be camp for tonight. Hold my GX through first. The rest of the guys are gonna come over later.
Now forever hold your peace.
All right, go. Hey, you said you were bringing the Subi.
You're not fucking around.
All of them. I told you we should have went over there.
Maybe.
17,400. Yeah. What's that?
So you said you built this this platform?
Yeah, I
Just
just
a
cut
plywood.
out like a
Some plywood?
piece of plywood.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
And then
sick.
Oh, it's a magnet too.
yeah, this shit doesn't stick though. It was like on the floor when that guy from off of.
Hunter Series Land Cruiser, Overland Kings, awning and tent. Ice Cove fridge. I'm scoping out your setup. ran their diesel heaters. Nice and toasty. That's gonna be it for this adventure. I'm gonna be heading back from Nevada back to California. So about a 4-hour trip ahead of me. So I'll sign off here. Thanks for watching the video, and like and subscribe for more.